To charge your Google Pixel phone, first let me show you the options that are available for it. First one is, of course, the cable. You can use USB-C cable, connect it to the charger brick, and then connect it to the bottom of your device, like this. Now your phone should start charging. It will make either the sound or the battery will change into this lightning icon. But if you want to charge it using different ways, there's a few of them. In battery, we should be able to find the wireless charging, but if not, don't worry. You can use wireless charging on this device, and also if you can even use reverse wireless charging, which means you can try putting your other phone like this to your Google Pixel, and it should begin charging as well if the other phone also supports that function.